Alright guys, welcome back everyone. It's Allan, your boy, and in today's live stream we are going to answer a very big question. Alright, and our topic today in this live class is: will the current bullish momentum of Bitcoin bring more liquidity into the crypto market? That's a very nice question, and we are going to treat it today, and we're going to break it down with a lot of strategies and a lot of tools in the crypto we use to trade crypto. We are going to break it down with the Bitcoin structure, right? We're going to break it down where the liquidity is entering, where the money is being accumulated, and how altcoins, that is, I tell you what the meaning of altcoins. Altcoins are coins that are different, right? That are different from Bitcoin. Other coins created apart from Bitcoin is what we call altcoin. And how this altcoin might react, is there any possibility for us to, genuinely move into the altcoin ecosystem or altcoin season? What do you expect in the upcoming sessions? All right, I'm going to do a full live chat analysis on our amazing exchange known as KuCoin exchange. So stay with me while we write this together to the end. All right, so before I continue, I have to let me welcome my guys to a new week. GM guys, I'm coming. GM guys, right. And I'm gonna drop two links for you right now in the comment section, okay? It's also in the description section of this live stream, where you get link to sign up on the KuCoin exchange. If you haven't done that, you can go ahead and do it right now, because that's where we are heading to. We're gonna download the KuCoin exchange using the first link, and the second link, which I'm also gonna drop you both the two links in the comment section, is going to signify where you can also be a streamer. All of you who want to be a streamer, where you can also earn amazing profit. KuCoin is the only exchange I've seen where you can earn while you are learning, right? So stick with me, do all these, the necessary things. We are going to go together, right? Let's go, fams. So let me drop the link for you. I think clip it somewhere. Yep, that's the link. So you just stay with me, right? That's the link. Coming. All right. So that's the link we are gonna do. So the first link here is gonna take you to where you're gonna download the KuCoin exchange app, and we have a lot of things over there. We have futures trading, we have spot trading, we have where you can have amazing information about what is going on in the market, and a lot more. So I'm really happy if you can do that, if you can download it, and we all flow in the same page. Okay, we all flow in the same page. So make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you also make sure that you also come here with your notes to learn and also to practice, right? So if you are here with me, please can you just say hi, drop some love emojis for me. Let's keep riding this up and up, okay? Today's a we're talking about Bitcoin bullish momentum yield more liquidity in the crypto market. Will this favor the altcoin, guys? Will this the altcoin season? Just be with me, let's flow together, okay? So if you are with me, just say hi. GM, I'm waiting for you. Right. My guys are active. Right, welcome, bro. Just keep flashing me 100. Keep flashing me 100. I want to see the energy before we start today, right? It is a new week, so all of you should be happy. All of you should be happy. We are in a new week, okay? We are in a new week so that we learn more. So just try and be active. Try and be active, okay? So that is it. My guys are coming up, waiting for you. Give you a couple of minutes before we brainstorm together, right? I'm here to assist you. If you are online, just say hi. All right. 1 more minute, less than 59 seconds. We are going together. So just stay with me. Let's flow together. I need more action. Right? Just keep commenting, all right? Just keep commenting. Just keep in. So, all right. For those of you, for my newcomers, people that new, you first of all go to Play Store, right? And if you tap that my link, it's gonna take you to Play Store. If you tap that my link, it's gonna take you to Play Store, and Play Store is where you download most apps. So probably once you click that link, it's gonna take you to here. Once it take you to here, right, you see the KuCoin app, right? You see the KuCoin app. I've got the app already, so you can search here. You see, it's already installed. So what do? We go straight to the app. I've gotten the app already, and make sure you do your KYC, because this is also one of the criteria which you'll be needing to, you know, do I have a newcomer? Right. All right. ST is active. GM, your GM is still active for join. Today we're gonna learn a lot of things today, right? We're gonna learn a lot of things today, right? Don't need a floating up for here. You don't need a floating up from. What's wrong? I'm coming. Don't know what's wrong. This is not the app I want to use. Coming. Alright, this is it. And once you come here, first going to do is to sign up or log in. I've already done the sign up aspect of it, so I'm heading straight to login right now. So you stay with me while we move this together. If you're active, say I'm active. I'm gonna show you some features. Thought I'd log in. Alright. You have the home page we are going to see a lot of things. We also have where you're going to see security, setting rewards up, and the REST API support in case you have any issues. This is where you're going to do all those stuff. So I'll be very, very happy if you do what? If you listen to what I'm going to do today, because we are going to use this app to do everything we have to, right? This is it. This is the futures aspect of it, and this is what we are definitely going to use. You see, we're looking for BTC. Right, we are going to look at a lot of things. We are going to look at the market structure, a lot of things. We're going to look at a lot of things. All right. The chat. That's my Telegram. I'm still looking for a way. Don't worry, we're gonna get things done together. Right? So this is it. Welcome, Aristotle. Okay. Welcome, Aristotle. Thank you for joining. All right. We're gonna learn a lot of things today. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to click on the link below in the comment section and download the KuCoin app. For that's what we are going to use. Okay. Don't forget to do so. For we have a lot of things to be done, right? So you'll be commenting and stay focused. I hope you are with your jotters, because we are going to learn a lot of things today. We are going to learn a lot of things today, right? So our question is, will this bullish momentum of BTC yield more liquidity in the market, right? Our question is that we are not gonna just look at this chart and guess how the market is gonna go. We are gonna look at the smart way the money moves in the crypto market, right? Smart moves. So I'm gonna talk about structures and liquidity. We're gonna talk about the Bitcoin structure. We're gonna talk about where liquidity is entering, where we are talking about our internal liquidity, and also talking about external liquidity. We're gonna also talk about the motives, the directions of in which the market goes up and down, right? We also talk about where support, right? You have support and resistance. We're going to talk about where our resistance turns to our support level, right? All these things are going to be explained in just nothing less than an hour. I don't want to keep you guys so long, because I know some people in this group might be, I'm just tired of this. So all right, this was our analysis in our market, right? This was analysis we did, and I think now last week or in our last tutorial, we're talking about BTC, and we drew this formation exactly from the KuCoin exchange app. You can go after a lot of utilities, and you can go right side at the right corner of your screen. You're gonna see a pencil on the notepad, and that's where you have tools, okay, right? Where you have shapes, where you're gonna draw, and a lot of stuffs like that. So I'm gonna tap on one of the tools here, the rectangle. Right. This time I'm gonna draw more than that. So let me delete everything. Right now, we have what we call the market structure. Market structure is definitely the trend in which the market is going. The direction of the moves of the market tells us what market structure is genuinely all about. Okay, the direction of the moves of the market tell us how market structure genuinely moves, right? So that is it, and that is how it goes. That's just a little direction. And we have what we call the ranging market, and also we have what we call the uptrend and the downtrend market section of it, right? So we're gonna train that together. So this is it. Let me charge my phone. Just give me a minute. So this is it. This is the trend of the market right now. The market is moving in a downward trend, creating series of higher highs and higher lows, right? So that is how the market works. Is either it moves in an uptrend, or it moves in a downtrend, or it moves in an area of indecision that is spreading, right? It's spread around left and right. That's what we call the ranging market, bouncing. When you see a market is bouncing up and down, just having the mindset that the market is ranging. Have you seen Bitcoin has given me a notification right now on KuCoin exchange that what happening? Bitcoin breaks just 86,000 US dollars, right? That is impressive. That is massive. So there's another opportunity for us to do what? To like so bullish about the way the market moves. So now this is it. Guess what? This question which shows why is Bitcoin showing bullish momentum. You have to start by understanding why Bitcoin first of all is moving bullish, right? Why Bitcoin is moving bullish. So what happened? We have the demand, and when demand is surpassing supply, right? When more buyers are stepping into the market, right? Institutional accumulation is visible only on volume spikes, right? You know what demand and supply means, right? Demand where institution, where we have we have the mindset that the buyers are surpassing the sellers. That is, the buyers are entering into the market ecosystem trying to buy more, right? A bullish momentum that makes it the demand surpassing supply. We can also have understanding why Bitcoin is moving bullish. You can also higher time frame market structure, right? As you can see right now, I'm in 4 hours time frames, and I can move to 2 hours. All those are still higher time frames, right? Moving from 15 minutes, from 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. These are smaller time frames where you place our trade. Is not recommended to trade or analyze the market knowing the trend of the market in a 5 minutes. No, sir, it's wrong, right? It's very, very wrong. We check our market, we analyze the trend of the market, we know the market structure in higher time frame. All right, we understand the market with a higher time frame. That is the level we do, right? So we also believe that why Bitcoin is creating this bullish momentum is that fewer long-term orders are also selling. It's sign that people expect what higher price. As you can see, this is one of the days that Bitcoin is being drained down from $124 right now to 86,000 US dollars. That is a massive loss to the crypto market. But you know the funny aspect of it is these are fewer long-term orders, right? Fewer long-term. The big men are still holding their Bitcoin. What do you know? Because it's a sign that people expect higher prices. So that is why Bitcoin is still retracing down to $86,000, which is going to pump back to $100 and something thousand. So just stay with me, guys, while we screw down this together and you understand the sentiment, the nature that is behind this, right? Positive macro sentiment always boosts BTC demand, right? Positive, and I hope you are writing down, I hope you are jotting, I hope you guys are jotting. Positive macro sentiment always do what? Boost BTC demand, right? It always boosts BTC demand, right? So you just have to focus and listen to what I'm saying. Okay, so we also have a lot of stuff going up, flowing up. Aristotle, yeah, we are judging, that's nice. Also have global adoption narratives, this that are fueling the bullish momentum. Okay, so now let's go back to our thought. Will bullish momentum bring more liquidity? Just think of it. And I'd love to know your, your own mindset, because we cannot just come right now and just guess the market. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. No, sir. We must know way. We must know way and how smart money moves, right? How the smart guys, how the sharp guys do it in the market ecosystem. Okay, so will this bullish Bitcoin momentum bring more liquidity into the market? Can you just assume it? Will it? Now, you all have, the probability of, telling us your thoughts, right? Here's the truth. If your answer is yes, now let's see what's gonna happen. Liquidity, it must break above the key resistance zone, right? It must break what? The key resistance zones. And where are your resistance? What is the key resistance zone? If you say BTC is going to pump higher and higher, this is our resistance. This is our key resistance. This is also our key support, which also turned to resistance. Have you seen it? These are all resistance. So if it is yes, it must break above the key resistance zone. As you can see now, the market is going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Already this is a downtrend direction. Already this is a downtrend direction. Are you hearing me? This is a downtrend direction. The market is being trading in a downtrend direction. So that is it. That's analyzing the Bitcoin. You see? So would this liquidity, will it break above the key resistance zones? And what will it happen here? Liquidity increases when Bitcoin breaks major levels, right? And do you know why this takes to happen? Do you know why liquidity breaks? Like liquidity break key and resistance zone. Liquidity increases, and do you know why liquidity increases when Bitcoin breaks major levels of resistance? You don't know. Because stops are triggered. When stops are triggered, liquidity increases. When breakout traders enter, boom, liquidity increases. And when institutions push they forcefully push the positions of the market, that is when liquidity increases. So this is one of the factors that if your answer is yes, that the Bitcoin, alright, is you're gonna make some crypto profit, like the hot coins are gonna, gain something with this action and with this effect that is happening. So what happened? The institution do what? Must push notifications, right? So another thing, that if your answer is yes, that truly bullish Bitcoin momentum bring more liquidity into the market, we also have what we call the BTC dominance stabilizes, right? If BTC dominance rise moderately, liquidity flow primarily into Bitcoin. Do you know what it means? It means if it, for example, you rise moderately, this is it. You see, it moves moderately. This is what we mean by moderate. Coming? I'm trying to create this. This is it. Moderately, right? Higher. Something like this. So something like this, right? Keep moving higher and higher. So that's what we mean by BTC dominance rise moderately and liquidity flows. So this position will now be our new liquidity, which pushes the market upward, right? Which pushes the market upward. So that is how to know how the market is moving. That's how to know how the market is moving, right? Don't forget to sign up, all right, with my KuCoin, because it's KuCoin I'm using to do all these things, and it's very, very nice and smooth. So you will be able to what is that? We'll send a notification. Aristotle, nice illustration. Yeah. Just keep focusing, just keep listening, okay, as we are moving together, right? This will make you understand what the concept and what is really going on, right? So this is it. We are going to now move to our second thought, right? The volume plus open interest increases. Okay, the volume. What happens? Why does more liquidities enter concerning volume and plus open interest? Why? It's because volume spikes, open interest rises, and new contract open, right? New contract open, volume spikes, plenty of things happens in the crypto market, right? So when I analyze the market, for example, you check what happened in this month. The same setup is about to happen. Let's see what is going to happen here. See, this market was in a downtrend. I hope you are following with me. This market was in a downtrend. Guess what happened? The market was in a downtrend. So while the market was in a downtrend, what happened? This was in a downtrend, which is the market structure using the 2 hours time frame, right? Or you can go ahead and decide to check out what is being done in the 4 hours time frame. All right, this is it. Are you seeing it? So this is it. The market was moving in the downtrend direction, but guess what happened in the nature of the market? You see, this was our order block. The more the market is touching our order block, the more possibility that place is a very strong area, right? Guess what happened? The last green candle before the market went down. Have you seen it? Guess what happened? Market was still testing it. It was still testing. 3 tested points, right? 3 points was tested before the market really went down. So you can see that 1, this was the first one. 2, this was the second one. 3. This was the stage 1. Guess what happened? Guess what happened in the market, right? The market touched 122,320 US dollar. It touches it 3 times. It touches that point of interest 3 executive times. So after touching that 3 executive times, see what happened in the market. See what happened in the market. See what happened in the market. The market calmed down, right? From $126K to wait $80,062.7.5. You see what liquidity has caused? It was gaining more momentum, selling pressures. The market was going down. The pressures were being accumulated that, oh, right, this was going to happen in the market. BTC is going down here. Higher time frame overview, oh, this and that. You see, other block was respected. That there was what? The need for supply. The need for supply. Now as it has happened again, BTC going down to this level. We having a selling pressure over here, and it's testing this place. But the selling pressure here, which is the red candle over here, the red box over here, is trying to create a demand. But when are we going to know that this demand is genuine, right? Once it touches this resistance and it's going to retest. And once it retests and it crosses this, once it retests and crosses this phase 1, then we all know that the market is going to explode. It's as simple as that. The market is going to explode, right? So you are waiting for it. It's creating all-time highs right now. So we don't know if the market has changed the character. We don't know yet. We are still waiting for confirmation. Once it changes character, where we know that the market has changed character is when it breaks its previous low, right? Its previous low. So we will know that, oh, there's actually a change in character. The market has gone up, down. So this is really gonna help. We have talked about the highest price and from the break of structure of the upside, the pullbacks that respect the demand zones, right? So this is it. Now we're gonna talk about the liquidity spot. Now liquidity spot. Liquidity spot consists of the higher highs and higher lows and the rest of it. Okay, and the rest of it. So that is how things goes and in and out. Okay, that is how things go in and out. So where I'm coming, now liquidity spot contains of series of higher highs, equal lows on tapped wicks which have not been touched. Now you have seen the way market is going right now. The way market is going now, all these ones are internal liquidity. This point, internal liquidity. This one, the ones with purple lines are internal liquidity. I hope you can see in the market well. This place was support, but it has later turned to what? Resistance, right? Support has later turned to resistance at this level. So that is the nature and that is how it's being done. As you can see, the market going up right now. He's trying to create, is he trying to create a higher low, or is trying to create another lower high? That's what we don't know. So you just have to wait for the candle to form before we execute any trade. And these are the 3 key levels I've told you about, in which you have to keep watching. You have to keep watching for the next possible scenario to take place, right? Now, we have 2 scenarios right here, right? We have a bullish continuation, or we also have a what? A short correction. So it's either this market right now, as you can see, it's either this market be in a what? Short correction. That is BTC retrace it back to feel what is inefficiency. Demand zone gets tapped. When demand zone gets tapped, know that we are in scenario A, which is what? The short correction. That's what I'm trying to explain here. If it taps this red box that is here at this downside, know that demand zone get tapped, and there's a high possibility that BTC is gonna short more than that. All right, I hope you are following the short correction I'm trying to say. That is for scenario B. Sorry, scenario A. Now, moving to scenario B, which is the bullish continuation, means BTC breaks the next resistance level. All these are resistance. All these resistance 1, which is not really strong. Resistance 2, purely strong. And resistance 3, absolutely strong. If it should break 107,500, that should just buy as massive as you can buy, right? Because BTC has break the next resistance level. Now liquidity float into the market, and you see, when this occur, you know what? Go and check altcoin afterward. And what will you observe if BTC breaks the next resistance level? That's the question I'm asking you guys. What will you observe if BTC breaks what? The next resistance level? I'm waiting for your answers. What will you do? Just tell me. I want to make sure that I'm not talking to myself alone, that people are here listening to me. What will you do if BTC should break the next resistance level? What will you do? Just let me know. LC Dean, you're welcome. Let me comment while I'm waiting for you guys to respond. Welcome, LC Dean. Welcome, LC. So I'm waiting for question. The question I asked, in case you didn't, let me type it, because I think some of you are not really typing or hearing what I'm saying. I believe you should. My question is, if BTC should break keys level of the next resistance if BTC should break the key level of the next resistance, what happened to the liquidity? I'm waiting for your response, and I will appreciate anyone that answers it. Waiting for your response. If BTC should break key levels of the next resistance, what happened to the liquidity? Just say something, okay? I'm hearing you. if BTC, all right, it will flow into the market ecosystem, right? That's nice. Another one. You guys are trying, you guys are listening. I love the energy. The next one in the comment section, I'm waiting for you guys. What will happen? I want you to reason, right? We are in a live stream, okay? We are not just in learn tutorials and go. Let's reason this together. If BTC should break key levels of the next resistance, what happened to the liquidity? Okay, just tell me your mindset. Okay, I'm hearing you. Waiting for your messages. Waiting for your response. Right, liquidity will pump higher and all would explode. That's nice and amazing. All right, thank you very much for your insight. It's really encouraging that at least people are listening to what I'm doing. That's very nice. That is very nice. I really love the energy, right? I really love the energy. Thank you very much. I really love the energy. Any more one? So that is it. Someone liquidity will pump the market higher up. That's literally the same thing some of your colleagues just said. All right. So actually, you guys are correct. Okay. If the bullish continuation, if the bullish continues, BTC is gonna break the next resistance. What happened? Liquidity flood into the market. That's not how to start pumping. Afterward, how to start pumping afterward. Right, so we're waiting for, okay, it has what is that? Just stay with me. Wait for it to open. I'm trying to log in my app. There's a lot of things. I'm trying to move out things so that I can free up spaces in my phone. Alright, there's a lot of things. Oh god, no wonder my phone was misbehaving. Right, come in, check out that stuff. So if it comes to the demand zone, right, there's a possibility that the price will still continue like that because the demand zone is being touched, right? But if you should create a series of higher highs, right, if you should create another higher low, from higher low it's possess a higher high, that will be a very great opportunity for us to buy BTC. So at the same time, it's going to make the altcoin to explode and you're gonna have altcoin season. So that is where my answer is. And the other way around right now, we can also we can also say that, okay, the BTC right now is in the social market structure. It has break our former resistance. Oops, that is a very nice opportunity for you to buy if it should break our resistance, right? It's also a good opportunity to buy. Whereas you must take note of this small structure that is being the break of structure, the liquidity market, how the market is moving, and the rest of the things. So that is how you do it. Okay, that is how you do it. If you should break the first one, this is the first resistance. Have you seen it? Have you seen the red resistance? The one being painted with blue are my resistance. Purple, sorry, are my resistance. You see, this is also a high probability that the market is going higher, right? If you should break all these key levels, know that the market is going higher, right? So as you can see, this is my trend line right now. We're still following. You don't force trend line, right? You're still following that same method. So it's either it form a double bottom at here and the price bouncing back, or it breaks this red candle over here, right? That's it, right? That's how it go. If it breaks this other one, we know that, oh, there's a bullish momentum that's about to happen, a series of higher highs and higher lows, no more lower lows and lower highs anymore. We are going to keep printing a lot of it. So just stick with the chart, and don't forget to sign up using the KuCoin exchange, because it is one of the most amazing exchange app in which you are going to use to do what? To trade. Okay, I'm very, very happy, and I really, really appreciate your time and effort for joining this live stream. Thank you very much, and for your time, I really, really appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you guys, I love you all. Thank you for joining. We'll be back in our next live stream. Okay, stick with me, read, keep refreshing your memory, so that the terminologies that we keep using in this previous class, when we come to our new class, our new live session, it won't sound strange. And try learning, because being consistent in the market, being consistent with the chart, being consistent with what the market is doing in the crypto space, the news, keep watching news, attend spaces on X and everything, join the KuCoin community, ask for advice. There are support everywhere that can tell you all this. Okay, you keep learning, and be consistent with it. There's no how you won't succeed in trading, right? So thank you very much. Thank you for downloading the app. Thank you for signing up with this amazing app. I really, really appreciate, and I love you all. Bye, take care. Bye, guys.